Calibration complete. Reviewing performance metrics now.
Quality consistency confirmed. The specifications are holding steady.
The QA validation data confirms the yield optimization targets. See this graph here.
Yes, and the environmental impact metrics are also improving.
The automated optical inspection passed. Thermal cycling results are stable.
Consistent quality metrics across the board. Finalizing the report now.
The qualification data looks consistent with the specifications.
Yes, the traceability marking is precise.
Our advanced systems integration utilizes sophisticated automated technology with comprehensive real-time monitoring and prediction. Real-time monitoring shows a thermal anomaly detected in Unit 4.
Systems integration is active.
We ensure exceptional product reliability through advanced systems integration, utilizing real-time monitoring capabilities.
This data confirms the optimization pathway.
The integration phase is stabilizing faster than projected. We should finalize the report.
Comprehensive testing procedures conducting rigorous vibration resistance qualification testing utilizing automated surface mount technology.
Based on the rigorous EMI testing and statistical process control data, the results are fully compliant with industry standards. We recommend authorization for product release.
The results confirm compliance with the IEC standard.
Agreed. The data validates the susceptibility threshold.
All methodologies validated. The accelerated life testing confirms yield optimization.
Consistent with world-class engineering protocols.
The data confirms operational excellence.
Agreed. We have followed all standard protocols. The product is ready for release authorization.
We've verified the thermal inspection against standard protocols. The data is logged.
Consistent with our
The thermal data confirms stable power consumption under load. Good.
The verification protocols are complete. We can authorize release.
The oscilloscope analysis confirms the signal integrity validation. Excellent. Meticulously document these results for the release authorization.
All results are documented and meet global regulatory requirements. Good.
Proceed with authorization for distribution.
The advanced analytics platform confirms the optimization.
Failure forecasting shows green across all modules.
Real-time analytics confirms the calibration is holding.
System shows green across all metrics. We are maximizing yield efficiency.
Real-time data confirms the ESD protocols are effective.
Cross-functional analysis shows a 15%.
Reviewing the advanced analytics platform, our yield tracking is stable. Consistent quality across the board. Throughput capacity utilization is stabilizing in Q3.
The yield optimization methodologies are clearly working across the board.
The real-time analytics confirm the strategy. We adjust the parameters on the kitting line now.
That should maximize our efficiency metrics immediately. Utilizing these advanced analytics platforms allows us to maximize manufacturing excellence and ensure continuous quality improvement across all functions.
We have a contamination breach. Cross-reference customer feedback analysis immediately.
Implementing the new protocol now. Systems.
Our sustainable practices are improving the scorecard.
The warranty return rate confirms the thermal improvements.
Signal integrity validation testing confirms the field failure analysis. We have a major issue in the Asia-Pac network.
Check the integrated
deployments. Utilizing advanced analytics, we've integrated obsolescence management directly into the operational phase.
Look at this data visualization. The throughput increased by 20%.
That confirms the effectiveness of the new algorithm.
This batch of circuit boards passed the automated quality check with 0 defects.
Excellent. We are ready to scale this for the manufacturing integration phase.
Check the data flow on the sub-6 GHz spectrum.
It looks stable. The signal integrity is holding up under load testing. The processing speed on the new edge server is exceeding projections.
Good, we can start scaling the sustainable manufacturing simulations immediately.
The quantum yield stabilized after we adjusted the cadmium ratio.
Good. Let's run the simulation for the manufacturing phase.
The schematic stabilized. Graphene utilization is at 98%.
That confirms the increased conductivity. We have a breakthrough.
This next generation substrate is stable, but
but we need to ensure consistent quality in the folding process.
The robotic arm's precision is...
The simulation confirms the structural integrity of the print.
That validates the process parameters. We are ready for scaled manufacturing.
Integrating the AR guidance reduced assembly time significantly.
This confirms viability for scaled manufacturing.
For instance, the simulation data confirms a 15% efficiency gain in the assembly sequence.
That aligns perfectly with the digital guidance.
The Q1 data confirms our sustainability advantage in Europe.
We leverage that report to optimize the
Utilizing enterprise intelligence forks.
Utilizing this enterprise intelligence platform optimizes our global strategy.
It ensures our competitive
arm's lengths. We must integrate these frameworks to optimize cost reduction initiatives.
Leveraging global market analytics and
revealing a complete, integrated production ecosystem strategically positioned within the global electronics supply chain.
From this perspective, the complete integrated production ecosystem is revealed. It's a vital part of the
An integrated ecosystem positioned at the heart of the global supply chain, leveraging transformative technology to... The successful implementation of these systems showcases our commitment to operational excellence and integrated quality control across all production stages.
Advanced robotic systems work in perfect synchronization, rapidly populating the circuit boards. Thousands of microchips are precisely placed onto the memory modules every minute.
How are cameras manufactured with exceptional precision? It begins with sophisticated electronics assembly.
The SPC data confirms our Q3 targets. We're maximizing yield efficiency, but the variance in component requirements is too high.
Let's finalize the ESD protection arrays on the data lines.
We must verify the BIOM for the conflict-free minerals report.
I'll cross-reference the manufacturing parameters now.
Quality assurance testing confirms the manufacturing parameters are optimized.
The performance targets are exceeding expectations.
The thermal simulation shows we're exceeding limits on this component layout. We need to optimize the cooling parameters for yield.
The waveform analysis confirms the defect. Look at the crosstalk here.
The design specifications require tighter tolerance.
The waveform confirms we are compliant with the latest EN standards. Good. I'll update the manufacturing parameters in the traceability platform.
These contamination levels exceed the critical design parameters. We need to revise the manufacturing specifications immediately.
The thermal compound application meets the revised protocol.
Confirmed. The validation is complete. We are ready for production.
Implementing precision electronics assembly requires meticulous preparation, ensuring complete manufacturing readiness before full-scale production commencement. As indicated on the schematic, the feeders must be verified. This ensures the SMT line maintains our stringent standards during ramp-up. Environmental humidity temperature control demonstrating meticulous preparation procedures, ensuring complete manufacturing readiness before full-scale production.
The solder paste deposition looks consistent on batch 4B.
Confirmed. Thermal profiling is holding within the 0.02% tolerance.